Hey everyone! If you're anything like me, you love snapping pics of your delicious creations. But getting that perfect shot can be tricky. I've bought and tested 5 of the most popular cameras for food photography, so you don't have to waste your money trying to find the best one. Let's dive in and see which one truly serves up the best results.
Product number 1. Kodak PixPro Friendly Zoom FZ45BK. When I first picked up the Kodak PixPro FZ45BK, it felt super lightweight and compact, almost like a point-and-shoot from back in the day. The 27mm wide-angle lens was decent for capturing a whole dish without having to stand way back. I took it out for a few shots of some homemade pasta, and honestly, the 16-megapixel CMOS sensor did a pretty good job for casual snaps. It's not going to blow you away with super detailed close-ups, but for quick, easy food pics, it gets the job done. The 2.7-inch LCD is a bit small, so reviewing shots wasn't ideal, but it's fine for a quick look. If you just need a no-fuss camera for simple food photos without breaking the bank, this could be your go-to.
Product number 2. 4K digital camera for photography, 64-megapixel autofocus vlogging camera. Holding this 4K digital camera, it felt a little more substantial than the Kodak, but still very travel-friendly, which I appreciate. The dual lens setup for selfies is a nice touch, though for food photography, I was more focused on the main lens. The 64-megapixel resolution and 4K video really shine here, capturing some incredibly vibrant and clear shots of a colorful fruit tart I made. I was impressed with how the autofocus kept things sharp, even when I was trying to get a tricky angle. The rotary button design made switching between modes really quick and intuitive, which is awesome when you're trying to catch the perfect steam rising from a dish. With 2 batteries and a charging stand, it's ready for extended shoots. This is a solid pick if you want detailed photos and easy controls without a huge price tag.
Product number 3. 4K digital camera for photography with Wi-Fi, 64-megapixel autofocus vlogging camera. This 4K digital camera felt sleek and modern in my hands, and I immediately noticed the 180-degree flip screen, a total game changer for getting those overhead food shots without contorting yourself. The 64-megapixel images were sharp and colorful, especially when I was photographing some vibrant salads. I really appreciated the autofocus. It made getting clear shots incredibly easy, even for a beginner like me. What I loved most was the built-in Wi-Fi. Being able to transfer photos directly to my phone with the VPulse app and share them instantly on Instagram was fantastic. Plus, using it as a webcam for a quick cooking demo was surprisingly smooth. If you're big on sharing your food creations online and need that flip screen, this camera is definitely worth checking out.
Product number 4. 5K digital camera for photography, 75MP Wi-Fi vlogging camera. When I unboxed this 5K digital camera, it felt robust and well-made, ready for some serious food photography. The 5K UHD video and 75MP photos absolutely blew me away with their detail and clarity. I used it to capture a complex charcuterie board, and every texture, every little detail of the cheeses and meats just popped. The autofocus was lightning fast, ensuring my shots were crisp every single time. And the 18x digital zoom let me get right in on those intricate details without moving my setup. Sharing my culinary masterpieces was a breeze with the built-in Wi-Fi, letting me quickly get them onto my social media. The 180-degree flip screen and included 32GB SD card mean you're ready to shoot amazing content right out of the box. This camera is fantastic for those who want top-tier resolution and easy sharing.
Product number 5. 2024 Upgrade VG Anger Digital Camera for Photography Vlogging Camera. The VG Anger digital camera felt incredibly lightweight and portable, perfect for grabbing quick shots on the go. Its 64-megapixel resolution gave me some really nice, clear images of a colorful smoothie bowl. What stood out to me was the inclusion of 52mm wide-angle and macro lenses. That macro lens is a secret weapon for getting those extreme close-ups of food textures, which I absolutely loved for showing off sprinkles on a cupcake. The manual focus took a little getting used to, but once I got the hang of it, I could pinpoint exactly what I wanted sharp. The Wi-Fi connectivity was super handy for quick transfers to my phone, letting me share with friends instantly. If you're a beginner looking for versatility with different lenses to really highlight your food, this is a great starter camera. So, there you have it, my top picks for food photography cameras. Each one brings something unique to the table, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details on each camera.